Hi, glad you could join me again for my illustration tutorials, and welcome to this series on how to draw cartoon characters. Oh, hello again. Our next cartoon character is that great wee chap from Peanuts, Snoopy. Before we carry on, remember to hit that subscribe button. That'd be great, thanks very much. Okay, now I'm going to sketch out the shape first of all, and we'll find that strangely enough, you know, coming from a strip called Peanuts, Snoopy's head is shaped a wee bit like a peanut itself. You know, it's got that kind of, that's his nose sticking out there, and curves it to the top of his head, and you get a nice sort of curve coming around like that, coming down. And if you follow that line around there, you know, this end's fatter than that. Attached to this bit, you'll get his ear sticking out there, okay? See that kind of peanut shape? And then another thing about Snoopy is that the eyes are always on the same side of the head, like that. When you look into the side, that is. So you get these two, almost like number sixes, see that? Two little sixes. And then right in the middle of his head here, or his nose rather, you get the actual nose, a little black nose, kind of oval shape, and then a nice smiley grin coming in like that with a wee line there. Okay, then coming down to the neck, narrowing down, you get the shape of the collar. And then the actual body is a bit like a wee balloon, you know, a wee tummy sticking out there. That kind of shape there, see that? And then from the top you have his arms sticking out like that. Little thumb sticking up. And little paw-shaped fingers, like that. Like that. Okay, and then from the bottom here, come round just a bit there, and then start, put two little leg shapes coming out, like radiating out, it's like the lines like that, and then two nice big flat feet, like that. One there, and coming up there. And you could put the wee lines of the toes in. And there, and there. And then just finish it off, the wee tail. Pointed tail. Okay, so there's the rough shape of Snoopy. So, oh, forgot a couple of things. Little eyebrows. One there, and one there. Okay, so let's sink in now. Okay, let's go around the outline of this now. You use fairly thick lines coming around from Snoopy. You can even use lines which are kind of hesitating like that, if you like. There's a kind of quality to the outside shape. You thicken them up slightly. And then this ear shape's coming in here. Like that. There's also a black shape on the inside of the ear, so I'll draw this in. Just the outside shape of it, kind of rough shape. The actual shading on the black parts of Snoopy's head are done very roughly. You see little white bits sticking out, okay? I'm going to move to the collar now, and his little body coming up. Nice curve coming in there. Don't carry that line to stop there, okay? And the same as you come down here, this arm's coming up from behind the body, but this one's coming out from this side. So you don't draw that line down there. It comes in there. And thumb. Like that, okay. Another one, they get slightly wider as they come out to the wrist. Like that. Okay, and then you carry on now, down to the leg, curving into there. He's got a spot on his back, so it would appear a bit there, so you can colour that in just now. And his little tail sticking out, with a bit of darkness there. Okay, so the legs, again, just get that curve. and the toe shapes in the bottom there. And like that, and the sole. Okay, so let's move up to the head again now, and his eyebrow sticking up. Now his eyes themselves, like two sixes, as I said, like that. Shade that in. That line goes over the top line slightly, and then his mouth. We line there first of all, and then this big curve coming out there. Okay, and then his nose, like that. Okay. Now I'm going to use a slightly thicker pen to shade in the black. As I said before, don't shade it in totally. Just leave a couple of bits of white showing, because that's the kind of style that Schultz used when he was shading, and didn't do it totally. He left bits to make it look almost sketchy, like that. Okay, so there we have a cute little Snoopy, looking great. Oops, forgot his collar again, just a wee bit there. Need some white bits. Excellent. Well, I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you can join me next time. But in the meantime, of course, all the best and happy drawing.